If you sell All on X treatment, one of the most powerful tools you'll have in any consultation is not what you say, it's what you don't say. And here's why. After you ask a patient an important question, especially one about their fears, concerns, or budget, your instinct is going to be to fill the silence. But if you jump in too soon, you actually are going to cut off the most honest answer you're going to get, and we need that information. The power of silence works like this. Ask your question, for example, how do you feel about moving forward with treatment? Stop talking, don't reframe it, don't explain it again, just pause. Hold eye contact. You'll feel uncomfortable, especially if they don't jump in right away, but keep holding it. Let them break the silence, and what they'll say next is usually the truth you've been needing to address, whether it's hidden objections, financial concern, or something emotional that's been holding them back. This works because silence creates space for them to think, and that's when the real conversation can begin. Most TCs never actually master this skill. They're too quick to rescue the moment, and they talk way too much. But when you can sit in that silence with confidence, you'll hear the exact reason they're hesitating, and that's the key to helping them move forward. Don't talk yourself out of the sale. Sit in silence, and even sit in a double silence if you need to. After they answer the first bit of silence, wait again. Oftentimes they'll say the deeper reason beyond the reason, so don't be so quick to fill in every single gap. If this was helpful, like, follow, or subscribe for more tips on closing high-value, full-arch cases.